With the skies and especially the front line getting more crowded with drones encountering each other becomes more and more common, with Ukraine showing skills hitting fixed-wing drones. Here a Russian drone was targeting a much larger Ukrainian heavy rotor drone. With the smaller drone being a lot faster and nimble, the Ukrainian drone could only continue flying away. But as the Russian drone operator does not show as impressive drone skills, they miss the Ukrainian drone and lose control as the rotor blades made contact with the larger drone, resulting in it crashing down and exploding, leaving Ukraine's heavy rotor drone to continue taking out Russian equipment, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.